Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Editor X. First, let's get familiar with the workspace. You'll learn to navigate the intuitive interface, setting up your design environment with ease. We'll then start a new project, choosing between a blank canvas for full creative control or a pre-designed template to kickstart your vision. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design journey. Now, let's dive into the core of design. We'll explore how to use responsive sections and grids, ensuring your site looks great on any screen size. Adding elements like text, images, and videos is straightforward. You'll also learn to customize their properties, adjusting size, position, and styling to perfectly match your aesthetic. It's all about creating a visually appealing and functional layout. Ready to add some flair? We'll simplify advanced features, starting with custom CSS for truly unique styling. Discover how to implement engaging interactions and animations that capture user attention and enhance their experience. Plus, you'll master managing your site's pages and navigation, ensuring visitors can easily find what they need. These tools help your website stand out. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. We'll cover how to preview your site across different devices, making sure everything looks perfect before launch. Learn basic SEO settings to help search engines find your site. Then, with confidence, you'll publish your Editor X website, making it live online for everyone to see. Congratulations, your site is ready.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.